Hey everybody, this is Chad with Round 2. We're back again with another product spotlight video. If you guys are wondering, hey, the video's a couple days late, that's actually because we just returned from Kentucky where we were at Wonderfest all weekend, showing off some of the new and exciting sci-fi and pop culture product that we're working on. So if you guys haven't seen it on the channel yet, we did a live stream yesterday from Wonderfest, kind of showcasing everything that we were showing in the realm of sci-fi and pop culture model kits coming out. So be sure to check out that video. For this month, what we're going to show off, we've got some new 1/64th scale to show you guys, a new release for Johnny Lightning Pop Culture that we're going to start with, and then in Auto World, we've got a lot of exclusive stuff to show you, some new Auto World Deluxe castings that are part of our 7-Eleven program, and then a new Auto World Premium event car that we're going to be showing off that's coming out this month. And then we're going to round it out with model kits, where we've got new model kits from AMT and MPC, 3 new kits in automotive and 1 new Star Wars kit. So we're going to get started. We're going to jump into the 1/64th. So starting off with the 1/64 scale, we've got a new release for Johnny Lightning Pop Culture. Now what's a little different about this one is we have 5 cars in this release, but they actually do still ship out in a 6-car pack. So what we've done here is kind of weighed the assortment based on what we feel the popularity of the release would be to give you guys a better chance to go to the stores and find the car that you're looking for. So we'll go through the 5 cars and I'll tell you at the end which one we doubled up in the 6-pack. Starting off with the pop culture release is next in our series of Ratfink cars. So this is the 1950 Chevy Suburban. Again, this Ratfink series has been doing really well for us, and you guys have been loving all the crazy, wacky Ratfink graphics on it. So on this gold Suburban, we went with kind of a tattoo look on the side of it, monochromatic color there with all the black Ratfink graphics and Ed Roth drawings on the side. It's got red wheels, which look awesome, red Steely style wheels, big fat white wall tires, red interior, and also black hood and a big Ratfink graphic on the roof. So another crazy, wacky release to go with the rest of our Ratfink pop cultures. Also, our Mecum Auctions, we've been talking about our Mecum Auctions license that we've been bringing out some product here. We've put that into our pop culture release as well, starting with this 1969 Dodge Charger Daytona. This Charger's in a gorgeous green color. It's got green interior as well, color matched green wheels with a dog dish and red line tires on that. And again, a lot of painted details, opening hood with a detailed engine, and the matching Mecum Auctions photos on the top, or on the blister card there. Next in our USPS series, we're continuing the stamp series with the 1966 Pontiac GTO. You can see the USPS stamp art there, and then in the 1/64 scale, we always make sure to match the car to it. So you can see that GTO in red line tires, black interior, and again, a lot of great painted details included, all the trim, chrome, and badging on the sides of it. Next up, a big release. We've been talking about our John Wick license, so we've been doing the 1/18 scale John Wick cars. We've been doing the model kit for John Wick, and then this is our first release in 1/64th with more to come. We're starting out with the 1970 Chevy Chevelle SS. You've seen that in our model kit. In this gorgeous green again, white striping, SS striping on the side of it, chrome wheels, white letter tires, BF Goodrich white letter tires to match how the car is in the movie, and of course some little fun facts that we always put about the movie and the car on the packaging. So really excited to bring out that in our series of John Wick. And then the 5th car on the release, and this is the one that we're doubling up on, our Mystery Matinee 1985 Toyota SR5 pickup. So great looking black pickup for this release, black tires. It's got a lot of great detailing on it, including the red hub lockers on the front wheels only. It's got white letter tires. There's 4-wheel drive on the mud flaps. A lot of great details on this. Got the brush guard with the lights in the bed, and of course all the other badging and painted details as well. This also has an opening hood with a detailed engine included in it. So that's everything for Johnny Lightning. I also mentioned we're going to be doing some exclusives for Auto World, so these are product that you can only get in certain stores or are exclusive to one of our customers. So we have our 7-Eleven series, which we've been running with 7-Eleven. This is part of our Auto World Deluxe line. So if you guys aren't familiar with the line of Auto World Deluxe, they were around back when Auto World first started. This is more of your entry level to Auto World. So these have hard plastic tires. They also have a plastic chassis and a non-opening hood. These are great for if you want to buy a car and you want the kid to be able to open it and play with it. that's kind of what the Deluxe Series is for. So we're starting out with the 711 2020 Ford F-150 Lariat. Now this is a new casting. We have done an F-150 in our Premium Series, but this Deluxe one is a brand new casting. First time to be brought out in Deluxe. Great looking graphics on this. First version is in black with 711 striping along the side, on the roof, and the 711 logo there on the hood and on that back door of the truck. That's version A. We'll also be doing a version B of this Ford F-150, which is in green. It's a very dark green color, matching graphics with the black variation, but another great looking release. Now what we've done different is before we only did 711 cars. Now we've actually are doing variations for Speedway and Stripes. So we do have the truck in Speedway graphics here, version A being in red, with Speedway striping on the side, and again, Speedway graphics on the roof and the hood. And the version B, a bit of a color swap with a black truck and red striping along the side and along the top of that one. And for the Stripes version, again, these will be available at the Stripes stations exclusively. This is, there's the black truck with the white Stripes logo along the side of it, or the white stripe with the blue logo along the side of it. We've got the roof matching the logo, and then the version B is here in blue. We're doing the same thing here with the next release for these, which is the 2010 Chevy Corvette Z06. Again, A's and B's, and 3 for each gas station. So the first version is this red Corvette. Looks awesome with these 711 green and orange graphics going down the side of it. Again, 711 on the side, you got the 7 on the roof, and stripes that continue along the front of it. Version B for that, in the 711 livery, is in black. And again, looks awesome with all those striping included. The Speedway variation is black and red here. Speedway logos on the side, and the Speedway logo on the roof. And then, again, a little bit of a color swap going on for the version B, which we did in red with gray Speedway along the side and along the top and the roof. The next one is the Stripes version. And again, we're doing black for version A with all the Stripes logos matching the release for the truck. And then in white for version B with red stripes along the sides of it. Then lastly, we have one more exclusive for you guys. This is for the All Toyota Fest show, which is happening on June 8th. This is an Auto World Premium, so it has the rubber tires, the metal chassis, opening hood with a detailed engine. There's actually a lot of cool engine details in this. It has the blue 2JZ valve cover and a lot of details on this. This also matches the event car that we did for the Japanese Classic Car Show last fall. So check out the information on the All Toyota Fest. It's in Long Beach, California. Check out how you can get your event car, but another variation that we are really excited to bring out. So that's everything that we've got to showcase for 164th for this month. Next, we're going to jump in and show you guys the model kits. So jumping into the model kits, we're going to start with the sci-fi kit, or the Star Wars kit for you guys. This is the AMT ETA 2 Jedi Starfighter versus Droid Starfighters kit. So what comes in here is there's actually 4 ships that you can build. You can build the ETA 2 Starfighter as 125th scale, and then you can build the 3 of the Droid Starfighters, and those are actually 148th scale. So you can do this as a forced perspective build of the Battle of Coruscant at the beginning of Episode 3. A lot of cool stuff with this kit. It has new artwork on it, which looks amazing, showcasing that battle. Of course, this is showing Anakin's version of the ship, but you can build a couple different variations because we have 3 different wing styles on the ship here that are included. There's the droid and then the interior, so you can actually build Anakin's version. You can build Obi-Wan's version. And I think the best thing to do would obviously be to buy 2 kits and then build the Battle of Coruscant with Obi-Wan's ship, which you can see there on the side. And then you could have 6 droid starfighters. So we're really excited to see what you guys do with these kits and what kind of dioramas you build up with them. So this is something that we thought would be fun to put these ships together into one kit. That way you guys could build it out in that way. So look on the back, you can see some of the layouts for the decals and some of the layouts for the droid starfighter or the droid fighters here as well. So really excited about this release. In the automotive kits, sticking with AMT, we've got the 92 Ford F-150 flare side kit. So the flare side version of this kit has not been done in about 20 years, so we thought it was definitely time to bring it back out. We've seen a big resurgence in popularity with a lot of the 90s trucks, as I'm sure all of you guys have. These things are gaining in popularity, getting higher prices in auction, so great looking box art included in this release for that 92 Ford. There's some pretty cool stuff that you can build with the kit as well. Has a 5.8 liter V8 engine included with it. You've got a light bar, a couple different side view mirrors if you want to do manual or power mirrors. You've got Nerf bars or step bars on the side of it, and then a lot of different striping options included in the kit and badging options in that decal sheet. So you've got all your flare side badges and all these different stripes along the side. Another look here at some of that box art, you can see the flare side illustration done on the side. And a look there at the parts tree on the back of this kit. So you can see how all of that goes together for this 92 Ford. And again, excited to see the way that you guys build up this one. And then for MPC, we've got a classic coming back. That's a really exciting kit. This is the Ohio George Montgomery's Multi-Maverick. So this is based on Ohio George's Maverick drag car. His Multi-Maverick, you could actually do it, he could do it gasser or altered, so you could change the positioning of the engine and change the wheelbase so that he could run in both classes. With this tooling, you can actually do the same thing with this. Even after the kit is built, you can change the wheelbase and the engine in the same way that Ohio George did. So that's a pretty cool feature included in this kit. We of course stuck with the vintage style packaging for an old school release like this. It's got pad printed drag slicks that come with it and a full color decal sheet. You can see here some more of the details included, like the interior with the roll cage, that big blown engine, drag engine that comes with it, the Chapman chassis, suspension, tubular construction all along the side here, and the racing wheels and slicks shown. And then a look here at kind of the differences between the stock wheelbase gasser class and the modified wheelbase altered class that you can do once you build this kit out. And then a look there at the parts tree on the back for that Multi-Maverick kit from MPC. So again, those are all of our releases for the month of June, but we also have a lot of other stuff that we're doing. We got some reorders coming in 1/18 scale for a lot of our popular silver screen cars, so you guys will see a lot of those returning. We're currently running production on those. A lot of more exciting stuff in the works. And again, if you haven't checked out the Wonderfest live video, we got some pretty cool announcements in the realm of sci-fi model kits to talk about in there. So be sure to check out that video as well. Look on our Instagram pages, Facebook pages. Again, I'll post all of those links below, and we thank you guys for subscribing and watching these videos and supporting the hobbies. We'll see you next month.